Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and today's video is from sowing to germination eggplants. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off with planting 4 in the potting soil and 4 in the paper towel. And then we water them. Day 1 after sowing, nothing yet has sprouted in the eggplants in the soil. Let's check the Ziploc bag. So nothing yet has sprouted in the Ziploc bag. Day 3, nothing in the soil yet. Let's check the Ziploc bag. So nothing yet has sprouted. Day 4 potting soil, nothing yet. Let's check the Ziploc bag. Nothing yet with the Ziploc bag either. Day 7, you can see one has sprouted a bit. And let's check the Ziploc bag. So nothing yet. Day 8, so the eggplant has sprouted and germinated. So it takes 8 days to germinate in potting soil. Let's check how the paper towel did. Okay, so just the one has sprouted over here. So for this I'll say do it in direct sowing. So direct sow your eggplants, do not use a paper towel. So if you guys are enjoying the series, you can comment down below what seeds you'd like to see me do next. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, considering subscribing. And if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It will be linked in the description down below. So thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.